Sir Speid, wonderful win today. 2-0 beating Habour FC. Your tactics was clear. Allow them to play the ball around the back. When you get in the middle third, you try to fetch and get the ball from them. Tell us about your win today, coach.
Well, the pitch is big and wide, so we kind of realized that the Habour team was a little bit slow, so we decided to go with a lot of pace. If you notice, we started some very quick players up the top of the field, and then we had Pearson who came back for his first game, who was really an excellent passer of the game. So we had all the ammunition in the right places, and football is about getting the right person, the right position to the right thing. So all of that fell together. After we went 2-0 up, we're like the second best defensive team in the league, so I wasn't perturbed that they would be able to score 3 goals on us. So what we did was just defend it in our own half and just play them on the counter, and then just manage the game today.
Your team played well in the moments. Also, saw Pearson making a good pass through the middle. But some of the times I see him limping. Is there a problem with his injury or something?
Oh yeah, well remember, Pearson just came back after a layoff for almost a month. So yeah, he has a slight niggling injury, but we're working on it. So yeah, but I wouldn't be worried. He's one of those fighters, those persons that will play out his heart. So I'm fine with what he's doing. And when his job is done, we will put on somebody else to continue.
Just watch the replay on the red card incident. Didn't saw the player really, elbow anybody, just 2 heads collided. What's your take on it?
I'll have to look on it, but the nation is good. I don't think he would make a mistake, but we'll review it. And if it is what you say it is, we'll probably appeal it.
Okay, thank you very much, Sir Speid. Continue to do the good work, and I hope you continue to get more wins.
Thank you.
All right.